everyone, it's Miss Rachel from the William Jeans Library, and I am here with my daughter Laura. We are still celebrating April, National Poetry Month, and today I'm going to read a poem to you from a book called Joyful Noise, Poems for Two Voices. So Laura is going to be my second voice for our poem today. And this book is written by Paul Fleischman with illustrations by Eric Beddoes. And it has all poems about insects. So we chose one of them to read. All of them are excellent, in fact so good that this book won the Newbery Medal, which is the best book of the year written for children in 1988. So we are going to do for you Fireflies. Ready? Light is the ink we use. Night
is our parchment.
We're fireflies, flickering,
flittering,
flashing,
fireflies,
fireflies, gleaming,
glowing,
insect calligraphers,
practicing penmanship,
copying sentences, six-legged scribblers,
of vanishing messages,
fleeting graffiti, fine artists in flight,
adding dabs of light,
bright brush strokes, signing the June nights as if they were paintings. We're fireflies, flickering fireflies. Here is the first illustration for the Fireflies poem. And then on the next page are two more for fireflies. Next we're going to read Grasshoppers. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Saps rising,
grounds warming. Grasshoppers are hatching out.
Autumn laid eggs,
splitting.
Young stepping
into spring. Grasshoppers hopping
high.
Grass jumpers jumping far.
Vaulting from leaf to leaf, stem
leaf
to
leaf,
stem,
stem to stem. Grass leapers,
grass
bounders, grass springers,
grass
soarers, leapfrogging, long jumping, grasshoppers. Thank you everyone for joining us, and I hope we will see you again soon for some more poetry as we finish out National Poetry Month. Bye! Hi, it's Miss Rachel from the William Jeans Library. Beddoes, and we're going to do this.
Why are you still going?
Harp.
Ouch!
Okay, ready?
No, okay. You're not using that one, are you? Oh.
Are we going to do it again?
Yes!
Light. In the ink we use. Nope. Is the ink we use.
That was so good!
I know. And this book is a Newbery Medal winner, which means it's really, really good. It was the best book of the year. Written for children. I'm looking for the date. Should we start over?
Yeah.
Wait, no, stop! Stem to stem, grass, leapers,
grass,
bounders, grass,
springers. You were supposed to say springers.
Didn't I?
No.